In this video, we're going to see how to enable and use live captions in Windows 11. First, right-click the Start button and select Settings. Next, head over to Accessibility. Under Hearing, you'll find Captions. Click on it. To turn on live captions, you can either toggle the switch here or simply press Windows key plus Ctrl plus L. We'll use the shortcut later. You can also customize the caption style. I'll go with small caps. As you can see in the preview, the changes show up instantly. You can even click the Edit button to fine-tune the style further. Now, let's test live captions. I'll play a video I made on this channel and enable live captions using Windows key plus Ctrl plus L. While using live captions, you can adjust settings like position, language, and preferences to suit your needs. Let's test it out. Hey everyone, today we're going to see how to recover your lost tabs in Google Chrome. As you can see, it's working perfectly, even though my English isn't that great. If this helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome how-to content.